In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Notion across devices. Let's keep this simple and clear. Notion is designed to sync your work automatically, so once you're signed in on your devices, your pages stay up to date without you having to press anything. To get started, open your browser and head to notion.com. Click Login and sign into your existing account. The key to syncing is consistency. Use the same Notion account on every device you work from, your laptop, your desktop, or your phone. As long as you're in the same account, your workspace lives in the cloud and updates across all your devices. Here's what that means in practice. Any change you make, typing notes, moving blocks, creating pages, is saved online and then appears on your other devices. There isn't a manual sync button in Notion because it's always working in the background. If you've ever wondered whether your latest edits are safely stored, Notion gives you a small status indicator so you can be sure. When you're making changes, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. This matters because Notion needs a moment to upload your edits to the cloud. While you type or rearrange content, look for the sync status. If it says saving, syncing is in progress and Notion is uploading your changes, give it a moment and avoid closing the page or the app while it's still saving. Once the indicator switches to saved, you're good to go. That means your changes are stored online and synced across all your devices. A quick tip, if you're moving between devices, wait for that saved status before switching. For example, finish your edits on your computer, make sure it says saved, and then open Notion on your phone. You should see your changes appear automatically. If you don't see them right away, it can take a brief moment depending on your connection, so just wait a second and they should show up. To recap, go to notion.com, click login, and use the same account everywhere. Syncing is automatic, no extra button needed. Keep an eye on the status indicator. Saving means it's working, and saved means your updates are in the cloud and available on all your devices. With a stable internet connection and that little status check, you'll always know your notes and projects are up to date. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick, practical tutorials.